Are you thinking of starting an online store but can't decide between Shopify and WooCommerce? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you and you can choose your best platform for your business. So let's just get right into it. So basically, Shopify is a fully hosted platform, meaning everything which is hosting, security, maintenance, all of these things are handled for you. Just sign up, pick a template, and start selling. It's as easy as it sounds, believe me. On the other hand, WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin. So basically, you'll need to set up the hosting, security, and customization yourself. And it's more flexible, but I'd say it has a learning curve. And if we talk about the costing, basically, WooCommerce itself it's free, and you have to pay for hosting, which is like approx $5 to $30 per month for themes, plugins, and all the total cost. It basically varies depending on your needs, and you have to look for it yourself. But this is just a basic cost price. And if you talk about Shopify, it has a fixed monthly pricing, which is approx like $39 per month, plus transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments, which is a different story. So if you talk about customization and features, uh, basically the Shopify app offers you basically all an easy solution. And so basically it has tons of features, built-in features, curated app stores. But on the other hand, if you talk about WooCommerce, it offers unlimited customization with thousands of plugins, making it definitely a better choice for those who need full control over their store. And at the end, as always, if you ask me which to choose, so as if you see this website, Woohoo website is pretty good. So if you look at the WooCommerce, I'd say if you want more customization, lower cost potentially, and full control over your store, definitely go for WooCommerce. But if you prefer an easy, friendly, and user-friendly solution with 24/7 support and reliable hosting, then definitely go for Shopify, which would be definitely suitable for you. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.